I have the lights on it, warming it up nice and toasty. I probably need to make a lead shot bag warmer so I can really get on with things. While that's cooking, if you'll notice that the aileron here is not completely faired in. This is what the factory says is neutral aileron, is when the aileron fares in or is in line with the winglet. So I'm going to make some adjustments. The stick, the part that the torque tube, where the stick goes in the torque tube, is set at 20 degrees from plumb, and all the other adjustments are as per manual. And I have the torque tube in the middle of its travel. So what I'm going to adjust underneath this aileron here is the that push rod that connects this linkage that connects the external bell crank to the push rod in the wing. So I'm going to move that out.